Quick bike check, starting from the front end, and then we'll go to the back. Got Chris King, Hope Tech with mono caliper, Bro carbon bars, designed by a Chinese rider, Trialtech stem, inspired hex frame, intuitive cranks, Chris King rear, running 22 to 16 tooth, Trialtech chain tensioner. Chain that comes with the full build, HS11, just some standard Echo grips, got a lovely inspired saddle, some holy rollers, the inspired wheels, and I rebuilt a Mavic 719 on the front with a 180 rotor. Hope QR on the front. With fun bolts on the back for the Chris King to make sure that thing doesn't damn well come out during the hard stuff. Overall pretty pleased with that. Pretty pleased.